What's up, everybody? I'm Nate Root from Tippmann Industrial, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your presser foot on your Tippmann Boss sewing machine. Presser feet come in many varieties. Here at Tippmann Industrial, we have fleece, center, left, right, and standard presser foot that comes with the sewing machine. Changing out your presser foot is very easy and can be done in a couple of steps. First, you want to decide on what presser foot to use. In this case, I'll use the fleece presser foot for demonstration. After deciding what presser foot to use, locate the mounting bolt where your current presser foot is. After locating the mounting bolt for your presser feet, take a 1/8 inch Allen wrench and unscrew. Once you know your mounting bolt is loose, remove it. Make sure your stitching handle is in the full upright position. Squeeze it and remove. Now, take the presser foot of your choice, lift the cable, and slide the presser foot back into the slotted groove. Line up the corresponding holes and tighten in the bolt. Make sure your presser foot is secure by lifting the presser foot up and down a couple of times. Also, grab the presser foot and wiggle it around. Make sure there is no play. And just like that, the presser foot is changed out and you're ready to get back to stitching. Make sure you have everything you need for your project by visiting our website. The link is in the description below. Thanks for viewing and keep on sewing.